Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to complete the journal assignments for the class. So first, go to your Microsoft Teams, go to our class, Miss Sarah's Adult Transition class, go to Assignments, find the journal assignment, click on it. Alright, find the journals that need to be opened. Here is the journal we're going to type for now. I'm going to minimize the screen by clicking this box. And then I'm going to make it a little bit shorter and put it over to the side so that I can see it but not have it too close. I'm going to open up Microsoft Word. I'm going to go to the Start menu. I'm going to find Microsoft Word either in the quick reference here or by scrolling down and looking for Word. There it is. I'm going to start a new blank document. I'm going to type the journal. First, I want to change the font to make it a little bit bigger to read. I'm going to type the journal. Monday, June 1st, 2020. If you are going to the water park, what should you bring with you? I can make bullets by clicking this icon. A swimsuit and sunscreen, a notebook and crayons. Why? Well, you would want to bring a swimsuit, of course, so you can swim, and sunscreen to be protected. Now that you have it typed, you're going to save it. You can click Save here, or you can click File, Save, or Save As. Either one will work. You're going to click this PC. You're then going to put where you're going to save it to. I'm going to always save it to the desktop because that's the easiest place to find it. I'm going to save it as June 1. Save. Now I can close this. I should be able to find it right here on the desktop. But first I'm going to close this. I'm going to go back to where the assignment is, and it says Add Work. So I'm going to add work. I'm going to click Upload from this device. I'm going to choose the June 1st. I'm going to open it. I'll click Done. And then I have to turn it in. And then you are done. You have completed the journal assignment. Thank you.